Guys, once again, welcome to my channel, Amazing Economic World. Today, we are going to utilize this class for analyzing a very important question for board exam. That is, reserve ratio and creditation by commercial banks are inversely related. Reserve ratio and creditation by commercial banks are inversely related or indirectly related, and money multiplier and creditation are directly related. Money multiplier and creditation are directly related. Do we agree or not? Comment. Do you agree or not? Comment. Yes, we agree. We can agree to this. Yes, we are going to prove this by taking a numerical example. Suppose consider that the initial deposit is 10,000. Here we take initial deposit 10,000. Initial deposit 10,000 and money multiplier. Money multiplier, that's 1 by LR, 1 by CR, and the reserve ratio fixed by RB. Reserve ratio fixed by RB, reserve ratio, that is 10%. 10%. Okay. Now, put this value, legal reserve ratio, that is 10% here. 10%. Money multiplier, that is 1 by LR. 1 by LR means 1 by 10%. 1 by 10% means 1 by 10 by 100. That is equal to 1 into 100 by 10. 1 into 100 by 10 means 100 by 10. That's equal to 10. Here initial deposit, same only, there is 10,000. 10,000. Then credit creation process, that is initial deposit into money multiplier. Initial deposit into money multiplier. How much is the initial deposit? 10,000. Okay. 10,000 into money multiplier that we have already got. That is 10. So 10,000 into 10. How much? 1 lakh will come. Okay. Okay. 1 lakh. Now the reserve ratio is going to be raised by RBI. Suppose this is 25%. 25%. Money multiplier 1 by LR, that is 1 by 25%. 1 by 25% means 1 by 20 by 100. What is 1 by 25 by 100? That is 1 into 100 by 25. That is equal to 4. Okay. Now the initial deposit, that is same only. That is 10,000. Okay. Credit creation process, that is initial deposit to money multiplier. Here the initial deposit is 10,000 into, what is money multiplier? Value money multiplier here, in this case 4. 4 only. So 10,000 into 4, 40,000. 40,000. Okay. From this, we can understand that reserve ratio and the credit creation by commercial banks are inversely related. Why? Because when the reserve ratio is 10 percentage, credit creation by commercial banks is 1 lakh. And when the ratio is raised by 25 percentage, here the credit creation by commercial banks reduced from 1 lakh to 40,000. From this, what we will understand? Higher the reserve ratio, lower will be the credit creation by commercial banks. Higher the reserve ratio, lower will be the credit creation by commercial bank. And one more thing we have to prove. What is that? Money multiplier and credit creation are directly related. Look here, money multiplier. This money multiplier. When the money multiplier is 10, credit creation by commercial bank is 1 lakh. And when the money multiplier is reduced from 10 to 4, the credit creation by commercial bank is 40,000. That also reduced from 1 lakh to 40,000. That means higher the money multiplier, higher will be the credit creation by commercial bank. Lower is the money multiplier, lower will be the credit creation by commercial bank. Okay, I think all of you have understood this process, credit creation process, and the relationship between LRR and the credit creation process. Similarly, the relationship between money multiplier and a credit creation by commercial bank. Okay, thank you. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Thank you.